Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Travel Diaries. I'm Emma, and today, I want to share my thoughts on one of my favorite topics, traveling. Travel is such an exciting experience. It allows us to see new places, meet different people, and learn about various cultures. I believe that traveling broadens our minds and helps us appreciate the diversity of the world. Every time I visit a new country, I learn something new, not just about the place but also about myself. Let me tell you about one of my most memorable trips. Last year, I traveled to Thailand. It was my first time visiting Southeast Asia, and I was really excited. I started my journey in Bangkok, the capital city. It was a mix of modern skyscrapers and ancient temples. I visited the Grand Palace, which was absolutely stunning. The golden decorations and detailed architecture were breathtaking. I also went to Wat Arun, a beautiful temple by the river. Of course, food is a big part of any travel experience. In Thailand, I tried so many delicious dishes. My favorite was pad thai, a stir-fried noodle dish with shrimp, peanuts, and lime. I also loved mango sticky rice, which is a sweet dessert made with coconut milk. The street food in Bangkok was amazing, and I enjoyed trying different snacks from night markets. After a few days in Bangkok, I traveled to Chiang Mai, a city in northern Thailand. It was completely different, quieter and surrounded by mountains. One of the highlights of my trip was visiting an elephant sanctuary. I got to see elephants up close, feed them, and even help bathe them in a river. It was such a special experience, and I learned a lot about elephant conservation. Finally, I spent a few days in Phuket, an island in southern Thailand. The beaches there were absolutely beautiful, white sand, clear blue water, and stunning sunsets. I went snorkeling and saw colorful fish and coral reefs. It was like being in another world. Looking back, that trip was one of the best experiences of my life. Traveling teaches us so much, from history and culture to food and nature. It also helps us become more independent and open-minded. If you're planning a trip, my advice is to be open to new experiences. Try local food, talk to people, and explore beyond the tourist spots. Also, always be respectful of different cultures and traditions. So, that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed listening to my travel story. Have you ever been to Thailand? Or do you have a dream destination? Let me know. Thanks for tuning in to Travel Diaries, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
I am Ben to explain a list of vocabulary from the script, along with their meanings and explanations. Travel vocabulary. 1. Capital city, the main city of a country where the government is located, e.g., Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. 2. Skyscrapers, very tall buildings, usually found in big cities. 3. Ancient temples, religious buildings that were built a long time ago, often used for worship. 4. Grand Palace, a famous historical site in Bangkok, Thailand, known for its beautiful architecture. 5. Architecture, the style and design of buildings. Food vocabulary. 6. Street food, food that is sold by vendors on the street, often quick and inexpensive. 7. Pad Thai, a famous Thai noodle dish made with shrimp, peanuts, and lime. 8. Mango sticky rice, a popular Thai dessert made with sweet rice, mango slices, and coconut milk. Nature and activities vocabulary. 10. Sanctuary, a safe place where animals are protected, e.g., an elephant sanctuary. 11. Conservation, the protection of nature and wildlife to prevent harm. 12. Snorkeling, swimming underwater using a mask and breathing tube to see fish and coral. 13. Coral reefs, underwater structures made of coral, home to many sea creatures. General travel vocabulary. 14. Breathtaking, extremely beautiful or amazing. 15. Memorable, something that is special and easy to remember. 16. Highlight, the best or most exciting part of something, e.g., the highlight of my trip was visiting an elephant sanctuary. 17. Diversity, a variety of different cultures, people, or things. 18. Open-minded, willing to accept new ideas or experiences. These words and phrases will be useful in IELTS listening and speaking when discussing travel experiences. Let me know if you need further explanations.